Allegri, the head coach of the Juventus Football Club, says the players didn't give up. The players have the passion and deserve the spirit of fighting. The only thing that they want is to make sure that the next game they perform well on the next game of the Europa League against Sevilla Football Club. And here Massimiliano Allegri says it's the time now to think about that match in deep. It's the time now to train up for the next match of the second leg, the match against Sevilla Football Club. As the only thing that they want is just winning, and they just want to win against that club. And it should be quite clear that Sevilla is just a dangerous club in this competition. Sevilla has been a dangerous club in this competition. Is the tenders of lifting these trophies, as they have lifted this trophy for almost 4 times, and this time around it seems like they are all indicators. There are all lead indicators for them to win the Europa League this season. And in fact, here as the head coach, Massimiliano Allegri says, the Juventus head coach says they have also great opportunity to win ahead of their fans. But if only the players, technical bench, and the fans will have the contribution of of what they have, he means that there